Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not responding error easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just open your first restart your PC and then go to task manager and click memory, click on it one time and then close all the applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. If you want to close it, just click end task. Now let's move to the next step. Go to settings and then go to privacy, scroll down, go to background apps. Now just make sure it's turn it off like that. You will find it like that. Just turn it off and go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.